Hi there, it's Peter. If you have $1,000 in your pocket and wondered how you could turn it into $20,000, $50,000 or even $100,000, then this video is for you. Unfortunately, this isn't taught in schools. I learned that through trying and failing. Actually, this is how we learn the most. The way you can multiply $1,000 into $100,000 is not through stocks, gold or even crypto. The best way to invest your only $1,000 is in yourself and in your education. Your mind is your most valuable asset, and the greatest returns are always made when we invest in our education. You may think now, oh yeah, I've heard that before, tell me something new, but stop and think for a second. If you have only $1,000 and let's say you put it into the S&P 500 index, you would earn approximately 10% back on your money every year, which is $100 in profit after your first year. But let's be honest guys, $100 will not change your financial situation, right? But if you spend $1,000 on a course, or even better, if you find and pay someone $1,000 to teach you a specific skill that could eventually bring 100 or even 1,000 times ROI, and it will stay forever. If you have knowledge on a specific topic, then you can solve other people's problems and they will pay you for that. Actually, your ability to provide value to the marketplace and solve other people's problems is how you actually make money. The bigger problems you solve, the more money you make. Your earning capacity is the thing that is going to generate you wealth. I believe that you should invest part of your money every month in your education, in seminars, mentorships, coachings, and in other programs that will expand your thinking and your mind. And here is a quick note: save as much as you can so you can invest as much as you can in your education. The more you invest in your education, the faster you will increase your earning capacity and become wealthy. Some of you are asking right now, but Peter, where can I find people who could teach me a skill? And that's a great question. Look for someone in your circle, people you know who earn a lot, because probably they know something that you don't know. Be around them, ask them questions, observe what they are doing and implement. If you can find someone in your circle, then look on YouTube, for example. There are millions of creators out there who are great at something, and they usually monetize through their knowledge through courses, one-on-one coachings, mentorship or something like that. So you could just buy their program, course or mentorship. Just make sure that you observe these people before you buy their courses, because there are so many people out there who sell courses but they don't actually earn because of the implementation of the knowledge they sell. They earn by selling you their courses. The Bible says you will know them by their fruits. That means that you will recognize these people by their results. Follow someone for 7 days, watch their videos, reels, posts, tweets, it doesn't matter. If you learn something from them and find their materials as valuable, the chance that their paid stuff is better is big, probably. It's incredible that you can become in the top 5% in any skill that can change your life for a better with only 6 to 12 months of obsessive learning along with implementing for only $1,000. I shared my personal story before, but I will give you some examples with myself. This is how I started making money online. First I was doing dropshipping, and a friend of mine showed me how he does. He showed me the process and the steps that I had to take. I did exactly as he said, and I started making money after a few months of doing the things. And here is a second example. After 1 or 2 years, I started doing print on demand. I was following in the beginning 2 or 3 of the biggest YouTube channels, and after 1 or 2 months I bought a course of one of these dudes. Then I started doing the things, I implemented the things that he taught me, and again I started making money. And even now I'm still making money on autopilot. Then I started with YouTube automation, With YouTube, again, I paid $1,000 to someone and bought his course so I could learn a step-by-step process, and I ended up with a six-figure earnings after 1 year and a half. And these three examples confirm the stuff that I'm talking about in this video. Invest in yourself so you can expand your knowledge and skills, and after that you will start making much more money than any other investment would bring. Let's make a summary of everything said until now. Save as much money as you can so you can invest as much as you can in your education. Find someone who can teach you a skill and pay him so you can steal their knowledge and expertise. Implement everything exactly as they teach you. Increase your income and invest even more in your education, and repeat the process. This was everything for today's video, and thank you for watching until the end, guys. Subscribe to my channel because this would mean the world to me. Like the video, comment below what would be the next video that you want me to create. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye.